Hi students, my name is Professor Jamie McDonough and I want to welcome you to Psychology 100 Introduction to Psychology. Let me just tell you a little bit about myself. I have my bachelor's in psychology, I have my master's in clinical psychology, and I am a licensed marriage and family therapist. Let's see, I worked as a I worked as a psychotherapist for about 13 years. And then for the past 14 years, I have been a college professor teaching psychology and various topics in the field of psychology. So I have studied, worked in the field of psychology, or taught psychology for more than half of my life. And I love psychology. I'm passionate about the topic, and I think that'll come through very quickly to you guys, maybe even rub off on you. And regardless if this is your major or not, I think you will find very quickly that regardless of what you do in life, what you learn in this class, the principles of psychology, you will use in any job, with any major, in your relationships, in child rearing, in communication, in interpersonal skills, even training pets, raising, training animals, behaviorism, the learning theories you'll see. So if you pay attention, you will learn a lot in this class and hopefully really enjoy it and have fun. So let's see. So our book, by the way, is free. Yay! Lots of great videos in your book that you can click on because it is an ebook. You will find that I use a lot of videos. I'm quite a visual learner. As a student, I was as well. In Canvas, you'll find lots of videos to watch. I always felt it brought psychology to life for me. So when you're on Canvas, don't just pass through, just don't scroll past the videos and go, oh, I don't have to watch it. Watch it. It will really bring the material to life for you. And I pick them very carefully for that reason. And none of them are all that long. There's only a couple that are long, and I'll let you know about them. So make sure you watch the videos. I will have introductory videos for each module, very short, just introducing the topic, the chapters, the reading, and the work for that week. So that will be very helpful for you each week before you tackle the topics. Try to get your reading done before you go to our sessions, our Zoom sessions. We will have sessions. I think we meet twice a week. Make sure you try to get the reading done, or at least scroll through it. So when you're hearing names and theories and things like that, it's not the first time you hear it. That will be helpful as well. I will be very, very available for you guys this semester. So please reach out to me if you're having any questions, you're getting behind. We can set up some study groups. We're going to do a lot of group work this semester. In fact, you'll have 5 group projects that you'll be doing throughout the semester. So we'll be doing Zoom sessions. We'll be meeting in groups to go over group projects, group work, to go over your project. Your project, by the way, is not your project, sorry, your paper is a criminal profile project. You will pick a killer or a criminal, preferably a serial killer, and you will write a criminal profile paper about said killer. More information coming on that. So welcome to Introduction to Psychology. I think you're going to love the class. I'm really excited. I think we're going to have a great semester. I know it's not what most of us expected. We wanted in class. We're going to be fully online this semester, but we're going to have a blast. So again, I'm Professor McDonough. I look forward to meeting all of you guys, and